Christmas is lighting up my life.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want more photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas, guys. I hope you get lots of presents from Santa Claus, sanitized and all, and you get to spend a great time with your family and friends. Today, I'm going to try some light painting around the theme of Christmas using simple lights that I have at home and my mobile phone. So, let the lights go out. Wait! Things you will need. Camera that allows you to set your shutter speed manually, a tripod or any kind of support for your camera. You may use a stool or a table if you don't have a tripod. Some lights. I have a torch, a laser light that gives me 3 colors, and my mobile phone. In the mobile, let's go to Instagram stories. First, I'll make a plain green background. Then some green circles and these green chevrons. These will be my brushes. A remote. I have the Nikon ML-L3 wireless remote control. Since I'm gonna shoot alone, this remote will be very useful. It will help me reduce the vibrations that may be caused by me physically pressing the shutter release button. If you don't have a remote, you can use the self-timer option of your camera or ask any friend or family member to assist you. Next, darkness. So I'm gonna turn off the lights, shut the doors, windows of my room, cover any openings in them. The room should be pitch dark. Now let's start. I have my camera set on my tripod. I'll see the frame and stand accordingly. Turn on my torch and focus on the light with the remote. Now I will switch to manual focus, manual mode, ISO 100, aperture can be f5.6 or 6.3 depending on the scene. Shutter speed will be the bulb mode. Now if you don't want to use the bulb mode, you can set it to 20 seconds or 30 seconds, whatever suits you. I prefer the bulb mode because in the bulb mode, when I press the shutter release button or my remote, the shutter will be open and it will remain open till I close it by pressing the shutter release button or my remote once again. So I can keep my shutter open for minutes, hours. It's cool, but it's cooler if you have a remote, because without a remote, you may shake your camera while pressing the shutter release button. So if you don't have a remote, you can use self-timer and set a shutter speed of 20 or 30 seconds. Take my position as per my camera framing. First, I'm gonna make a Christmas tree. For that, I'm gonna use the chevron background. Take the mobile brightness to 100%. For the tree, I'll first draw a tree with such wavy movements. Turn off the mobile display as soon as I am done with the drawing, or else you may spoil your drawing. Then I'll turn on my laser light and draw a star. Then the baubles will be the red laser light. Just roll them. Once I press the remote, start with my drawing. First the tree with the mobile chevron. Then the star. And then the baubles. Press the remote again to close the shutter. Voila!
Similarly, I'll use the dots background and make this spiral movement. Second, an angel. I'm going to divide my light painting process into 3 parts: the body, halo and wings. For the body, I'm going to use this shape. I've made it in Photoshop. I'll leave a link in the description so that you guys can download all these brushes. For the halo and wings, I will use the laser light again. Let's start. First the body. Using the mobile brush, I'll make the head, moving the mobile in such lines. Then the neck, drawing thin lines. Next the shoulders in such lines again, from my neck to my shoulders. Next, draw from the shoulders to the stomach to make the torso. You have to use your body as a reference, guys. Then you won't go wrong. Lastly, from the stomach to the floor, making such a gown on both sides. Body complete. Now halo. Use laser light to draw a circle above my head and wings to both sides of my body. Now lights off. I'm making the same movements. First the head, the neck, the shoulders, torso, and lastly the gown. Turn off the mobile, turn on the laser lights, make the halo in a circle and the wings. That's it. Third, I'm going to make snowflakes. For snowflakes, I will use a plain white or light blue background. I'm going to move my mobile in a 360-degree angle and make the snowflake shape. Expose the mobile for a few seconds, 2-3 seconds. Then turn off the mobile, move it a bit, expose the light, turn it off again. Similarly, I will move it along 5 to 6 times. You may move it as many times as you want. Lights off, exposing the mobile for a few seconds, then rotating and doing again. Duplicate the images in Photoshop by pressing Ctrl J, changing blend mode to screen. And I can combine them. Now it's time to make a snowman. I will divide the snowman into 3 parts again: the body, hands, and the eyes, buttons, nose, smile, etc. For the body, I'm going to use this brush. Again, download link down below. Use this brush again for the hands, smile, eyes, etc. In red for the nose and pink for the buttons. I will make separate exposures this time. First, for the body, I will make an orb. Move my mobile in spirals like this. Stretch my hand all the way up to make a border for the circle. Then in slightly bigger spirals come down, and in still bigger spirals go up again. Now move the mobile in circles and fill up the space all the way my hand can stretch. Then make spirals on the other side, the same way go up, then come down in bigger spirals and go up again. That's it. For the hands, I will simply make my hands shape using the brush. For the eyes, move in small circles. Make a curve for the mouth. Use the red brush to make the nose. Same way, draw the shape. And make buttons in small circle movements using the pink brush. Lights off. First, making the orb in circular spiral movements 3 times. And drawing spirals all through. Spirals on the other side. Drawing the hands, first one side, turn off the phone and make the other side. Similarly, make the eyes, nose, smile, buttons. Go to Photoshop, take the odd, duplicate it, Ctrl J, change blend mode to screen, press Ctrl T to resize it, make it smaller and place it on top. Then place the hands in the same way, screen mode, buttons, place it here. Similarly, the eyes, nose and mouth. That's it. After making the cute snowman, I will now make an evil snowman. For this, I will use this brush again. Draw it all over my body. First the hand, then torso, the other hand, the head, lastly the legs. Lights off, drawing in the dark. If I take a red colored brush and make the same movements in such short jerks, it's the same concept. We are just moving in a different way with a different color. We can get such a fiery monster. And if I move in such spirals, I will get a spiral monster.
So guys, I had a lot of fun trying these simple light painting techniques at home, and once again I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. I hope you get to spend it with your family and friends and have a peaceful and joyous occasion. And if you like this video guys, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you want to see more such light painting tutorials on my channel. Share this video with your friends and also tag me in your light painting pictures on Instagram at Agarwal Sonika. I will be very happy to have a look at your images guys. Now subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous light painting tutorial where I make some spirographs using light painting. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Ho ho ho!